Hello to all students, I hope you are doing fine. Today we are going to discuss structure and function of coxal gland. If we look at the meaning of coxal, coxa means hips, which is a Latin word, because these glands are present in the proximal portion of appendages of the insects. These are excretory organs of some insects. Coxal glands are present in arachnids and some crustaceans. In arachnids, spiders, scorpions, ticks and mites usually has coxal glands in their body. If we look at the structure of a spider, its body consists of head, thorax and abdomen. In the thoracic and abdominal section, there is a digestive tract which is known as foregut, midgut and hindgut. Usually they have Malpighian tubules for excretion of nitrogenous waste material. These Malpighian tubules absorb nitrogenous waste material from their hemolymph and deposit that material into stercoral pocket just dorsal to the hindgut, from where waste material are excreted outside through anus. But in addition to Malpighian tubule, they also have another gland which is known as coxal gland, which is located just in the thoracic region near the appendages, which are legs. I have taken out one coxal gland right over here and draw a diagram for you. This diagram contains, this coxal gland consists of a part which is known as sacculus, which consists of filtration membranes. Filtration membranes are very thin and help to absorb the nitrogenous waste material from the hemolymph. The next part is a convoluted part which is known as labyrinth. It has two regions, dorsal dilation and ventral dilation. It transports waste material towards the exterior, and the last portion is a duct which opens through a outside via a pore. And sometimes there is an accessory gland located attached with the duct, and sometimes bladder which stores nitrogenous waste material for some time. The function of coxal gland is help to absorb nitrogenous waste material like uric acid from hemolymph and then transport into duct system to outside of the body. I have made a summary for you. As you know that arachnids or insects have open circulatory system. During open circulatory system, blood, hemolymph flows into different sinuses of the body. Their body has different sinuses which are known as hemocoel. Hemocoel contain a blood-like fluid which is known as hemolymph, and hemolymph contain dissolved organic and metabolic wastes of the body. From hemolymph, metabolic wastes like uric acid are excreted or absorbed by coxal gland and then are excreted outside via pores which are located just near the proximal joints of the appendages. These pores are open in different segments of different animals which belongs to different classes. So in this way, coxal gland helps to excrete uric acid from the hemolymph of the insects and help in the excretion process of the insects. That's all for today, and we'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.